Bitcoin money cost commonly equivalent to $119.61 a coin, which especially is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 117.77 119.69, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 118.09 in an unpretentious way. The change explicitly was plus 1.52, plus 1.29%, which generally is genuinely huge. Reverse rate, USD to BCH, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $119, kind of most extreme $127, genuinely least $111 in an especially significant way. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $118, sort of most extreme $126, sort of least $110, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $115, exceptionally greatest $123, kind of least $107 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost $116, really greatest $124, least $108, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $115, sort of most extreme $123, certainly least $107. And multi-week Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $113, for the most part greatest $121, sort of least $105 amazingly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $115, genuinely greatest $123, genuinely least $107, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $112, by and large greatest $120, kind of least $104 in a for the most part huge manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $110, especially greatest $118, really least $102 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, May 12, cost $103, especially greatest $110, genuinely least $96 in an essentially significant way. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $105, extremely greatest $112, especially least $98, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $103, kind of most extreme $110, really least $96, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $104 in every way that really matters, greatest $111 in every practical sense, least $97, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $104, most extreme $111, genuinely least $97 incredibly. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $105, kind of most extreme $112, exceptionally least $98, which especially is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost $107, sort of most extreme $114, genuinely least $100, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $107, certainly most extreme $114, really least $100 in a quite enormous way. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, May 24, cost $108, really most extreme $116, kind of least $100, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $110, sort of greatest $118, kind of least $102, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Friday, May 26, cost $111, by and large greatest $119, kind of least $103, which sort of is genuinely critical. In about a month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $110, truly most extreme $118, lovely least $102 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $109, especially most extreme $117, kind of least $101 incredibly. USD to BCH conversion standard certainly equivalent to 0.8361 coins per $100, which basically shows that Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $103, truly greatest $110, genuinely least $96, or so they in every practical sense thought. Today, S reach 0.8355 minus 0.8491 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 0.8468 in an unpretentious way. Change for now 0.0107. 1.26%. So in 3 weeks, Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 22, cost $107. Genuinely most extreme 114. Genuinely least 100, which truly is genuinely huge. USD to BCH cost gauge in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 0.840 coins. Certainly most extreme 0.901, genuinely least 0.787 in an unpretentious way. USD to BCH forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.847 coins. Exceptionally most extreme 0.909, extremely least 0.794, or so they really thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.870 coins. Greatest 0.935, really least 0.813, exhibiting that in about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $105, extremely most extreme 112, by and large least 98. USD to BCH expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.862 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 0.926, least 0.806, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 0.870 coins. Especially most extreme 0.935, truly least 0.813, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In multi-week USD to BCH expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 0.885 coins. Certainly most extreme 0.952. Certainly least 0.826, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.870 coins. All things considered, greatest 0.935, really least 0.813, exhibiting how in multi-week Bitcoin money figure on Monday, May 8, cost $113, most extreme 121, in every practical sense, least 105, which basically is genuinely critical. USD to BCH forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.893 coins. Most extreme 0.962, truly least 0.833. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.909 coins. For the most part greatest 0.980, kind of least 0.847, which certainly is very critical. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 0.971 coins. Really greatest 1.042, truly least 0.909, or so they for the most part thought. In about 14 days dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 0.952 coins. Kind of greatest 1.020, lovely least 0.893, which for the most part is genuinely huge. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.971 coins. Sort of greatest 1.042, beautiful least 0.909, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost 0.962 coins. Kind of greatest 1.031, kind of least 0.901, exhibiting how Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $116, sort of most extreme